To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
If you are filing your return on the last minute, then there are high chances that you will make few mistakes. So you have to prepare a checklist, and in that you can include, first of all, you don't have to miss any income. Like if you are having small incomes like dividend income, interest income, capital gain income, so you have to include that also. Secondly, you don't have to miss any deduction or exemption like ATC, ATD, housing interest repayment, HRA, LTA, education loan repayment, and deductions these like, because if you miss these deductions, then you will have to pay extra tax. Then the most important thing is that you have to compare your AIS with your return. So AIS is a new document which you need to reconcile with your return. So AIS will be having all your financial transactions there. So in case you miss any information in AIS and you don't put it in your return, then there are high chances that you will get a notice from the department. Then the most important thing this year onwards is that you have to compare your old regime tax with your new regime tax. So whichever regime is giving you lesser tax, you have to go with that tax. Then there are few instances where if your income is more than 50 lakhs, then you have to prepare a AL schedule, that is called asset liability schedule, in which you have to basically show your assets and liabilities. And if in case you are claiming few deductions like 80GG, which is basically for rent, then in that case you have to fill in an extra form which is available on the portal. So these are the things which you need to take care while filing your returns, especially at the last moment, because the chances of making mistakes at the last moment is quite high. See, AIS is basically extended version of 26AS. So basically AIS is having a double role. One is positive thing about it and one is negative. So positive is that you will get all your incomes at one place and you can use that in filing your return easily. Negative is, since it's a new thing, it's not showing all correct information, thereby giving a shock to many taxpayers, and moreover, it has increased the workload of professionals also, since they have to now reconcile everything. So if there is anything which is not correct in your AIS, you have a feedback option. You can go to the feedback option and you can get it rectified. And if there is any information in AIS which is correct and you have not included in your return, in that case, you have to include it in your return. In case you have already filed your return, you can now revise it. If you miss your deadline, then there will be interest under penalty under section 234F. And if your income is below 5 lakh, then this penalty will remain at 1,000 rupees. If you file it before 31st December, then the penalty will be 5,000. But in this year, this is not relevant, because this year the extended date anyways was 31st December. So after December, if you file it, then the penalty will be 10,000 rupees. So this year, the relevant penalty is 10,000 rupees. And if you have any tax payable while filing the return, then you have to pay interest also on that.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.